Hi, welcome. I'm Jill and this is Ever Evolving. Today we'll be talking about goals, specifically about means goals and end goals, and how to differentiate them and how to use this differentiation to help us to establish goals that really matter. Let's do it. So let's start talking about goals, because we establish goals for so many things. We set goals for ourselves, professionally, in our personal lives. But something that sometimes we forget to do is to evaluate, what will this goal give me? Or better yet, what do I want from this goal? Let me explain you better. So the differentiation between means goals and end goals is that means goals are just means to an end. So they are not your goal in itself. They are just the way you found to get what you want. While end goals, that's what you really want. Let's give an example. I want to be promoted. But the thing is, a promotion, it's not an end goal. It's not a purpose in itself. There's something else that I want from getting promotion. There's something else that I want, that I'm connecting to being promoted. It may be power, it may be status, it may be money. So what is it? What do I want that I'm thinking that the promotion will give me? Let's say it's money. Again, money is not a goal in itself. No one wants money just for the sake of having more money. So there's something else that you want that money will give you. What is it? In this example, let's say I say quality time with my family. I feel like if I have more money, I will be able to travel to better places. I will be able to stay in better hotels. We'll have a better car. So the time together will be more enjoyable because the surrounding is more luxurious. But then you think, is it really money that is preventing me to have more quality time with my family? Because maybe it's not money. Maybe it's time. Maybe I don't have time with my family. Maybe it's stress. Maybe every time that I'm with my family, I'm stressed. And the time that I spend with them, it's not a quality time. And now, if you look back to the goal of being promoted, maybe my goal will work against what I want. Because depending on my profession, a promotion will mean more work. And more work may mean less time and more stress. So this is just one example of how we can set a goal that will actually work against us. And that's how you see so many people working hard to achieve something, just to realize that that was not what they want. Every time you set a goal, ask yourself, what do I want with that? What am I expecting to get from this goal? Get this answer. And every time that you feel that this answer still means goal, go deeper. So what do I want from that then? When you finally get to your end goal, so that's what I want, that's my need. Then you go back to your goal. Will this goal give you what you want? If you do this process, what will happen is that at the end of this process, you have a goal that you are confident about, that you really know that, yeah, that's what I want. That's what will give me what I want. You will be much less likely to procrastinate. You will be much less likely to have hidden blockage that will keep you from achieving it. So my question for you is, what do you want from your goals? I hope this helps, and I see you next time. Bye.